Is going to show you how to adjust the kerning in Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, or really any Adobe Creative Cloud application. Kerning is essentially the spacing in between two letters. So in the design world, when you type, some of these design programs, depending on the word that you're using, will need some adjustment in between the spacing of two letters. So to do that, use the type tool, click on the space in between two letters that you want to adjust the kerning of. And I'm on a Mac, so I'm a Mac users, you hold down the Option key and the arrows to adjust the kerning. PC, you hold down the Alt key and the arrows to adjust the kerning. So I'm going to hold down Option, use the left arrow to move that body of text closer to the K, and what I'm trying to visually do is create equal spacing between all of these letters. Computer does a pretty good job for the most part. Bodies of text, I generally don't adjust any of the kerning. I really only use these micro adjustments when dealing with really large or bold text. Maybe that's used on a headline in an article or on a poster when you have one or two words that are really loud and prominent. That's when you're going to want to adjust the kerning. Hope this video helps. Take care. Thanks for watching.